Hello everyone, I hope that you're having an amazing day. I'm just gonna show you how you can retrieve your referral links and how people actually do register to Dao1. So without further ado, first of all you need to be a subscribed member. And I do have other videos that shows how to deposit money into Dao1. So don't worry about that, I got you covered. Now the thing is that once you have paid your monthly subscription, your back office will look like this and you will have access to your marketing link, your referral link and your Telegram bot link in the bottom left here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you so you can see it. These three links. Now what we are going to do is that we're not going to give people the referral link anymore because they have added another way to register people. So from now on we're going to give them the marketing link. So we're simply just going to copy that and send it over to the person who needs it. When the person that has received the link from you clicks the link or opens it in a web browser, this is the page that you will open. So this is the landing page that you will get to. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that it says become a member today and register now. So we're going to press that and that is going to give you two options. The first option is platform custodial wallet. This means that you're signing up using your email and creating a password, and later on, if you feel like it, you can connect a Metamask wallet to it. So this is the easier option. You simply just register with your email, password, and then send a KYC. And that's it. The second one, the self-custodial wallet, means that you must already have a Metamask wallet that you use to actually connect and register. And I'm going to be showing you both ways. So we're going to start with the platform custodial wallet for now. So then we're going to need an email address. I'm going to sign up my sister while we're doing this. I'm going to take the username, password. Let's just do a random one for now. Gonna verify the email. And that's it. And now you simply just fill out the forms and do the KYC and you are good to go. Simple as that. Let me show you the second step. For the second step, the self-custodial wallet, it means that you must have a Metamask installed to be able to connect. I do have a video on my channel that shows you exactly how to install and set a Metamask as well. So I will put a link in the description down below. But let's do a self-custodial wallet. We click confirm. And it gives you a couple of steps, where to and how to download Metamask and everything right here. But if you already have Metamask like me, you will go to step 2, register and complete the KYC. We click that and then we simply will click connect. We will choose Metamask and now a pop-up from Metamask will come up on the right side of your screen. Now you can't see that during my recording, but it's okay. So in the pop-up, I just simply gonna click connect. And then I do the KYC, send it in, you wait about 10 minutes to an hour for it to be approved, and then you have your account. Please take notice of this. When you have an account, if you're using the first option, to be able to log in to your account, you must go to custodial.dao1.ai. If you have a self-custodial wallet, you go to app.dao1.ai. I hope this helped and have an amazing day.